Welcome guys back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to link a bank account to Zelle. So what you want to do is to first up, you can link a bank account to Zelle's mobile app. So how you can do that is to first open the Zelle app on your mobile device. Then you want to tap on the settings or account icon, and then you want to tap on link bank accounts or add bank accounts, and then you want to select your bank from the list of participating banks, and then you want to enter your online banking credentials to authenticate, and then you want to select the bank account that you want to link to Zelle. Now you got to review and agree to the terms and conditions, and then tap on the link accounts to complete the process. The second method, of course, is to link a bank account through Zelle's website. So you can use the Zelle website to do that. Now, first you want to do is to go to the Zelle website, log into your Zelle's account. You want to click on the settings or account icon. Then you want to click on link bank accounts or add bank accounts. Then you got to select your bank from the list of participating banks, and then you got to enter your online banking credentials to authenticate, and select the bank that you want to link to Zelle, and then you want to review and agree to the terms and conditions, and then you click link accounts to complete the process. Now the third method, of course, is to link a bank account through your bank's mobile app. So what you want to do there is to open your bank's mobile app and look for Zelle's option and tap on it. Now you want to follow the prompts to link your bank account to Zelle. Now there are some requirements to doing this. The first, of course, is participating banks. So you got to ensure that your bank participates in Zelle's network. The second, of course, is the online banking credentials. So you got to make sure that because you got to need your online banking credentials to authenticate. So you got to make sure you have those. And the third, of course, is account verification. So your bank account will be verified through a small test transaction. So you got to carry out those transactions to properly link these accounts. So there are some tips I got for you guys. 3 tips. The first, of course, is to use a secured internet connection. So you got to use a secured internet connection when linking a bank account to protect your personal and financial information. You got to keep those safe. They're very important. The second, of course, is to verify your account information. So you got to ensure that your account information is accurate so you can avoid any issues with transactions. The third and final is to monitor your account activities. So I advise that you regularly review your account activities to detect any suspicious transactions being carried out on your accounts. So that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys found it useful. Hope you liked it. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps us out a lot. And please don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.